And welcome everybody to the Daily Space Weather. We've got all kinds of features to cover, all kinds of oddities. We're just coming off a geomagnetic storm which showed up a little bit early. More coronal hole wind on the way, coronal mass ejections happening as we make the video, and lots more. So thanks for tuning in to the Daily Space Weather. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Let's blast through a lot more stuff. So this is 171 angstroms from the SDO. We've got about 9 named sunspot groups at the moment. We'll get to it in a later video. This one's going to be kind of short. We've changed up the format a little bit. If you haven't been watching the last few days, we've made some changes. Here's 94 angstroms. You can see a lot of bright spots. I'm not going to try to name them all. This did produce a coronal mass ejection, the C-class flare down here. There have been some relativistic particles and lots more. We're going to get back to that 94 angstroms wavelength in a minute because of some real weird stuff going on. First, the colorized magnetogram. So this sunspot here has grown. Likelihood of solar flares still very high. It's a solar flare warning. And we're not going to shut down the coronal mass ejection warning yet. We've had it going for days now. Check out this feature right here. What is it? Now this is 2 days. Look at the time and date stamp in the lower left. This is an absorption feature where there is a lack of 94 angstroms wavelength. In other words, a specific species of iron not showing up there. To make it even weirder, when we look at it in other wavelengths, you can see it survived that M-class solar flare. And how huge it is. It's about the size of Ohio. When we look at it in other wavelengths, we don't see it there. It's almost as if it's in a heliosynchronous orbit. So here's actually, we can see it a little bit there. It looks like there is a little bit of an absorption feature there in ionized helium. I do indeed see it there. All right, so there we go. It's still showing up there. We just have the Earth scale in a different location on that video. Here's 335 angstroms. Another iron ion. And I'm not seeing it in this wavelength. Make sure you check out our bonus features. We have an even closer close-up of this. That video will premiere sometime after this one. The radio flux now up to 110 solar flux units. There's the black line there. That's the 10.7 centimeter radio flux over the past year at 110. And that represents 10,000 joules of radio flux density. We've got a geomagnetic storm forecast for early tomorrow on January 16th. You see that forecast there for a G1. We saw a KP6 last night. We'll get to that in a later video. Let's cover global seismicity. No major quakes over the past 24, it looks like. I'm just going to scroll up the list here. Afghanistan saw a deep 5.1. And Indonesia, only a half hour later, saw a 5.1 as well. Doesn't look like any real large quakes here over the past 24. There was a 5.4 at Papua New Guinea. So pretty calm as far as earthquakes go over the past 24 hours. Now, regarding volcanoes, maybe a little less calm. Karimsky is exploding on the Kamchatka Peninsula, producing a flight level 140. That's a 14,000-foot plume of volcanic ash. Subanose-jima, flight level 050, 5,000-foot ash plume from Subanose-jima. Semeru, exploding 13,000-foot ash plume from Semeru, flight level 130. Yasur on Tana Island, part of Vanuatu, 5,000-foot ash plume as Yasur explodes, so now that one's on the list again. Hungatonga Hunga Ha'apai, major uptick there at Hungatonga Hunga Ha'apai, 52,000-foot ash plume, flight level 520. So apparently it was a little larger a moment ago. 55,000 feet. Also 86,000 volcanic lightning. So Hungatonga Hunga Ha'apai, say it aloud if you like, if you're adventurous. Erupting, it's the world's largest volcano at the moment. Samisa Pochnoi, 7,000-foot ash plume from Samisa Pochnoi, that's located in the Aleutian Island chain. Nevado del Ruiz, 22,000-foot ash plume from Nevado del Ruiz, that's a flight level 220. Sangay, flight level 190. Revenador, flight level 140. Those are both located in Ecuador. Sabancaya exploding as well. continuous ash emissions, 24,000-foot ash plume. Please don't pull vault the caldera. Please do support the channel by visiting our websites like smAsho.com. You can find our smAsho merch link there as well as below the video. Today's featured product is once again Mensa. Make Earth not suck again. It's up to you, not giant heaving bureaucracies who can't even get out of their own way. I'm wearing the hat, and I'm doing my part to make Earth not suck again. What are you doing? It's up to you. Mensa. Make Earth not suck again. Perhaps pick up a mini skirt for your favorite hottie. I'm wearing the polyester hat. It's made Chad, but it's printed in the U.S. Make Earth not suck again. It's up to you. Our SMASH team is helping to make Earth not suck again by supporting the channel content. Here's a teaser for our latest posts. Society smAsociety, only visible to our gold members, thanks to our SMASH team, silver, gold paid up annual, and bronze memberships. We've got a lot more data coming, and we're going to cover it. Make sure you check the rest of our premieres. Lots more exciting videos coming today. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the SMASH News Network, least busted name in news.